Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Book. Today I'm here with class 9th, new NCERT textbook, chapter 2, polynomials. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 2.4, question number 10. Let us see the question number 10 here. Factorize each of the following. Here the question is 27y cube plus 125z cube. So here we can use the formula a cube plus b cube, or we can write x cube plus y cube. In terms of x also we can write, and in terms of a and b also we can write. So a cube plus b cube is nothing but formula is a plus b, a minus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula. So in terms of, if we want, we can write in terms of x, same, x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. So in this term, in x term or y ab terms, we can write this formula, but the formula is one and the same. Here I have taken a and b, here I have taken x and y. So let us consider here a value is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So I can write 3y cube plus 125 is nothing but 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 5z cube. So we have a formula. I will write in terms of xy, or else write a value is 3y, b value is 5z. So I'll write a cube is nothing but 3y cube plus 5z cube is equals to a plus b. A value is 3y plus b value is 5z, or x value, if you want you can write x value is 3y, y value is 5z. Don't confuse with a and b. We can write either a, b or xy. So here a plus b, 3y plus 5z, formula a square. A value is 3y whole square plus minus sign, for in formula minus sign, so minus a into b, 3y into 5z, then plus sign is there, plus b square 5z square. Okay, now let us solve. 3y plus 5z as it is, 3 square is 9, 9y square minus 5 3s are 15, yz plus 5 square is 25, z square. So this is the answer, 3y plus 5z, 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. So this is the answer for the given question. Same thing, let us see second one. Here a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So here a value we will write as cube, na 4 cube, it is 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube. Here 343 is 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7 are 49, 49 7s are 343. So I will write this as 4m cube minus 7n cube. So a value is nothing but a place, a value 4m, b value 7n. Okay, now let us substitute here in formula. A value 4m minus b value 7n, bracket a square 4m square plus a 4m, b 7n plus sign as it is, b 7n whole square. Okay, this 4m minus 7n we cannot solve, so keep as it is. 4 square, 4 4s are 16, m square as it is, plus 7 4s are 28 mn, 7 square 49, 7 7s are 49, n square as it is. So this is the answer. We cannot solve further because they are unlike term, m and n. So this is the answer. In this way, by using this formula we have to solve. If you are confused with A, B formula, then I have told you we can write x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. You can use this formula also in terms of x. Okay. So here let us see the question number 11. So question 11 is factorize. Here 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz is there. Here which formula we will use? Here we will use the formula. We can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So here what a place what they have taken, a value is taken as here which 27 is the cube of 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 3x. Okay, b value it is taken as y and c value it is taken as z. Okay, now and we can write this in terms of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab. So the formula, complete formula I will write a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to x plus y plus z, then x square plus y x no a plus b plus c. In terms of x also, in terms of abc also we can write, because I have taken abc, so I'll write in terms of abc. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula in terms of abc. Okay, now let us substitute, because we have got this, they have given this value. I'll substitute here. A value is 3x, b value y and c value is z. A square value is 3x square plus b value y plus c value z. Okay, then again minus a value is 3x, b value is y minus b value is y into c value is z. Again minus c value is z, a value is 3x. Okay, let us write this 3x plus y plus z. They are unlike terms, so we have to keep as it is. 3 square 9 x square plus y plus z keeping as it is, minus 3 into xy 3xy minus y into z yz minus 3 into zx 3zx. So this is the answer for the given question, because they were in terms of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, this form. Here if we take in terms of x, if you want, if I take formula here, how it will be? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, this formula. In place of a, what we will write? X is equals to 3x, y is equals to y only, and z is equals to z only. So here we may get confused with x and y, so I have used ABC in terms of ABC formula, so that we can clearly understand here. So we got the 11th one question answer solution. So in my next video I am coming up with the 12th question. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.